we'd like to take a few moments to explain how to use and how to care for your Ammo Up HD. When picking up indoors, walk along with the weight evenly distributed between the small front wheels and the black drum. When turning, lift up the black drum off the floor and turn on the front small wheels. We want to try to avoid rubbing the black tines along the concrete, which would prematurely wear them down. If your ammo up seems to be stuck, push down on your handle, transferring all the weight into the black drum. Reverse the unit a few inches and then quickly move forward again, almost popping the clumped brass out of the tines. When reversing indoors, pivot the HD into the small front wheels and roll back, keeping the black drum off the ground. To empty the basket, lift up on the handle above the basket and pour your ammo into any desired container. If you get a piece of brass lodged between the ejector fingers, position the hook upward and lift up and back to dislodge it. When picking up on grass or dirt, we recommend walking with the handle pressed down. This will lift the basket up, causing all the weight to be on the black wheels. This will allow the black tines to dig deeper into the ground for a better pickup. When outside, try to avoid reversing as much as possible. This will prevent the ejection fingers from lifting up. We recommend always walking in a forward motion. Try to avoid using the small front wheels in grass or dirt. Remember, the cleaner your ground is, the more efficient the unit will operate. And when your unit is not in use, we recommend that you store the unit out of direct sunlight. If you have any questions or concerns, please don't hesitate to contact us at the email address below or call us at 904-641-3934.